This is the christening of our new boat. My friends and family are here.
And you're going to mash it, right?
Friends and family.
Friends and family. Champagne.
Here, here.
Let me get a glass.
Pour it on the top, maybe?
Oh. All right. I christen thee Tossing and Turning.
Tossing and turning. Very good. Hey, very.
Couldn't sleep at all last night. Just thinking of you. Maybe things weren't right. When I was tossing and turning, tossing and turning.
Very good.
Here, here.
All right. Let's have a
That's great.
Since you're driving, you don't get much.
Tossing and turning. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, I'm good.
Kevin,
All right, Dad is driving the boat.
Let's raise the motor.
There he is.
The motor?
No.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Into the water. While Tom and Kevin guide.
You're floating. Oh, you're floating. You're floating.
Can we pull the car out?
Here we go. Kevin's got hold of it.
Kevin's now holding the boat. It's a one-man hold.
Pull away, Bob. Nope. I know. I know.
There goes Dad.
All right.
Kevin, how do you feel holding that boat?
I feel like a new man.
Feels like a new man. Uh-oh.
Nice drop off.
I think I didn't get that on camera. Kevin fell.
So,
Got a good look.
how long do you think it's going to take?
Oh, it'll be a while. Because it'll be a precision docking. It'll be like a space shuttle docking.
Now Bob is attempting to start the boat.
There you go. It is.
It's on. It's moving.
We have liftoff.
We have liftoff.
Carry on. Complete. The Admiral says, carry on. Little family out for a Sunday drive.
Does he have a depth gauge on this? Hope he has a depth gauge. This is a very shallow part of the lake.